I have cold water, I have color blue, in a jar, completely filled. I have the exact same jar, the exact same volume of water. I'm going to fill it up with hot water right to the top, there. And I'm going to color it red, a few drops of food coloring. And you'll see that the food coloring spreads really quickly because the water particles are moving quite fast. Now, particles are moving slower because they're colder. Particles are moving faster because they're hotter. These particles actually need more space to move. So if I could count all the water particles in that jar and all the water particles in this jar that are the exact same size jars, this one would actually have less water particles. There's really more empty space between the particles here than there are here. Moving slowly, less space. Moving quickly, more space. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it on top of that. And you'll see that the two won't mix. This density is less. Even though it's still water, cold water has a higher density than warm water. So if I put this on top, it'll float on top. So just give me a second and I'll do that. And you can see that the two don't mix, okay? The hot water, less dense, is sitting on top of the cold water. They won't mix. But if I take the whole thing and I flip it, and I put the low density on the bottom and the higher density on the top, they will quickly mix and make a purple color. So give me a second. And they quickly mix, and they're making a nice purple color.